From a $1.5 million dog to a $17 million horse, these are the 4 most expensive animals in the world. At number 4, we have the white lion cub. The white lion cub is illegal to own in certain states and countries and is the rarest of the big cat family. These cubs appear white from a color mutation that was only discovered in the 1930s. The rareness of this cub is only due to the lighter color of its fur. These cubs are born in normal lion litters and are found very seldomly. Due to the rareness of this cub, they will usually go for $140,000. But this is just the start of the cost. This doesn't include the pounds of meat that it needs per day. Overall, these exotic cubs are very expensive, and I don't think I could ever take care of one. I'd be too scared of it eating me while I'm sleeping. Make sure you watch to the end to see the $17 million horse get auctioned off. At number 3, we have a very abnormal type of pet. This is a clone of your dog. A clone of your dog seems like something that should be in a futuristic movie, but it's reality. Cloning dogs has been happening since 2005, and it becomes a very expensive process. Most dog clones range from $50,000 to $100,000 depending on the breed of the dog, but one specific dog cost over $150,000. That's like putting a whole mortgage on a dog. This family cloned their dog, named Sir Lancelot, to make Sir Lancelot Encore. At the end of the day, I could see how losing a dog could be very difficult, but I don't know if it's worth $150,000. At number 2, we have yet another dog. This dog is the Tibetan Mastiff and is one of the largest dog breeds in the world. These fluffy bear-looking dogs were first bred to become guard dogs and are now a symbol of wealth in Asian countries. A purebred would range anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000, which is a lot to start off with. But one specific dog sold for $1.5 million. This 11-month-old Tibetan Mastiff was named Big Splash. It sounds like this puppy got some very wealthy parents. Nonetheless, this is a very beautiful dog, but I don't think I'll be buying one anytime soon. Now, at number 1, we have the $17 million horse. This horse was named Green Monkey and was sold in an auction for $16 million. Green Monkey is a thoroughbred horse, and these species of horses usually go from $100,000 to $400,000. The thing that made Green Monkey so much more expensive was his record-breaking time in the 1/8 of a mile race. He ran an 1/8 of a mile in 9.8 seconds in only his first race. He was definitely not horsing around. At the end of the day, the base price to purchase this horse is just the start of all the costs to maintain it. Some of these costs include the hay and the land for it to run around, which makes this horse worth $17 million. But hey, that's one fast horse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.